Welcome to Remedial 1 YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to solve question number 14 of Wassce 2022 school exams. The position vectors of the points W, X, Y, and Z relative to the origin are given by this, where M and N are constant. We have to find a unit vector in the direction of vector Wx, be the value of N for which angle WOY is equal to 90 degrees. The last one, the value of M for which the length vector WZ is root 37. So let's start with the first part, the unit vector. So we first have to find the vector. This is a free vector, and how do we this is a free vector, so vector Wx is position vector of x minus position vector of, so the terminal minus the initial. So what is the position vector of x? That is minus 1, 3 minus y is 3 minus 2. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 4, and then 3 minus 2 is 5. The unit vector x of vector, this is the symbol for unit vector, is the vector over its magnitude. So let's find the magnitude of vector. So magnitude of vector xy, this is equal to square root of minus 4 squared plus 5 whole squared. This is square root of minus 4 is 16 plus 25, and we are getting root 40. The unit vector of Wx now becomes, the vector is minus 4, 5 over its magnitude, which is 41. This can be written as 1 over root 41 times the vector minus 4, 5. And this is not in simplified form. You have said at the denominator we need to rationalize it. So we have root 41 over 41 times minus 4, 5. So you can multiply through, which will be minus 4 root 41 over 41 as the x component, and then 5 root 41 over 41 as y, or you can write it in Cartesian form, minus 4 root 41 over 41i plus 5 root 41 over 41j. If you write your answer in any of these forms, so B. Question said angle WOY is equal to 90 degrees. So if this angle is equal to 90 degrees, it implies that vector O dot OW dot vector OY should give us 0. Dot product should give us 0. And position vector of W is 3 minus 2 dot position vector of Y is 4 and which is equal to 0. So dot product, you multiply the x component. 3 times 4 is 12, minus 2 times n, we have minus 2n is equal to 0. We want to find n, so let's send this one to the other side. So 12 is equal to 2n. We divide both sides by 2. We go here, 2 go into 12, 6. Therefore, our n is equal to 6. So let's move to the last part, which is C. We have the length of y dot z, the length of WZ equal to root 36, 37. Okay, let's find the length of this. First, vector W Z is position vector of Z minus position vector of W. So what is position vector of Z? It is M minus 1 minus 3 minus 2. So we have M minus 3 and then negative 1 minus 2. Yeah, this will turn to plus, so we have 1. That is the vector. Okay, so let's find its magnitude, WZ. So that will be square root of square the x component, which is M minus 3 squared, then square the y component. So this implies that square root of M minus 3 squared plus 1 is equal to root 37. So to get rid of the square root, let's square both sides. When we do that, we have M minus 3 all squared plus 1 equal to 37. So let's send 1 to the other side. We have M minus 3 squared is equal to 37 minus 1. So we have M minus 3 all squared is equal to 36. We want to find M, so let's take the square root on both sides. So we have M minus 3 will be equal to plus or minus square root of 36. This is square. So when you are taking square root, here will be plus or minus. So we have M minus 3, which is equal to plus or minus 36 is 6. So plus or minus means that we have two values, 6 and then minus 6. This implies that M minus 3 is equal to minus 6, or M minus 3 is equal to 6. So we find the value of M in each case. So here M will be minus 6 plus 3, then M will be 6 plus 3. So M is equal to, this will be minus 3 or 9. So therefore M is equal to minus 3. Viewers, thank you very much for staying with us throughout this question. See you another time.